अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम Shinur from Mashable, पाकिस्तान एंड मेरे साथ हैं अब्दुल्ला जिन्होंने ACCA में टॉप किया। सो अब्दुल्ला, आपने किस टाइम डिसाइड किया इन योर करियर कि आप ये ऑप्ट करना चाहते हैं?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच कि आपने मुझे इस इंटरव्यू के लिए इनवाइट किया. इट इज़ अ ग्रेट ऑनर फॉर मी एंड surely a great source of encouragement for me. Now coming on to your question, to be honest, I always wanted to be an engineer. I did my matriculation in science from St. Anthony's High School. उसके बाद फिर मैं I went to government college for pre-engineering. Till that point, I always wanted to be an engineer. I always was a science guy. Later during my second year, when I was in my second year, I when I was weighing different options I had for my university, I realized that I do not have passion. I do have passion for science. I like science, but I do not have passion for what engineers do in their professional life. At that point, I realized I have more of an interest in how businesses work, how different systems work. So I decided to switch towards accountancy. I applied for bachelor's in accountancy, accounting and finance at LUMS, and luckily I got in. And later, when I was in my third year at LUMS, I decided to pursue ACCA as well.
And how do you think your father being an accountant inspired you?
Yes, I feel that he being an accountant did inspire me, but to some extent. I am mostly inspired by my passions. I am mostly inspired by what I want to be later in my life. And thanks to my parents that they eventually allowed me to pursue my passions. And if I tell you more about it, when I was a child, I always saw my father working on some spreadsheets, crunching some numbers, and that really fascinated me. So yes, my father really inspired me to some subconsciously, at least.
After your achievement, how was your reaction and how was your family's reaction?
So the results came out last month. I was expecting good marks, but I did not expect that I would score such a good marks that I would be recognized as a global prize winner by ACCA. At that moment when the results came out, the ACCA did not announced that I won a global prize. I was very happy when I told my parents that I have scored 88 marks in strategic business reporting exam. They appreciated me and they encouraged me to work harder for my future passion as well. But after a few days, I received an email from ACCA that I have scored highest marks in the world. And when I broke this news to my parents and especially my mother, I could see tears in her eyes, and I really enjoyed that moment. And I would say that one lives for those moments in their lives.
True. And where do you see yourself in the future after achieving this?
Well, I see myself pursuing my career as a professional accountant, but that is not important. The more important thing is what do I want to do with my life? Whatever position I assume, whatever office I assume, whatever position I reach in my career, that is irrelevant. The more relevant thing is I want to be a leader, a business as well as social leader. I want to create a social impact. I want to create an impact on the people who are around me, on the ordinary uh, poor people who are not able to sustain their lives in this day and age. I want to change their lives, and that is more important than what I want to pursue as a career.
And any other hobbies you have other than your interest in numbers?
Yeah, I think I like to read books. I read books about philosophy, about spirituality, and other than that, I play sports frequently, although I have not been able to do so for the past few months. And I feel that this hobby of reading and this hobby of playing sports really makes a difference in me. More I read, the more I realize that there is a lot of world that still needs to be explored. There is a lot that still needs to be imagined. That creates the different books I read. They create a broad perspective in me that helps me look beyond what is in front of my eyes. And the hobby of playing sports, it helps me to show sportsman spirit. It helps me to face all the hardships and difficulties with courage. It helps me to face the failures in my life. For example, I would share a story. When the first exam I gave for ACCA in December 2019, I failed that exam with a few marks, and I was totally disappointed with my result. But because I had uh, I had played sports a lot in my life, and I had faced some difficulties, and I had practiced to face those difficulties. I was able to come out of that great phase, and I was able to encourage myself despite negativity I had, and thus the result is in front of you.
Lastly, would you have any message for the students opting for the ACCA degree?
Yes, sure. The ACCA degree requires you to work hard for a long time. It requires you to be consistent, and it requires you to struggle and really show the passion for the field. But that is not enough. If you really want to succeed, you not only have a clear mindset, you also need to have good intentions, and then you have to really show that you have the caliber to score well. And other than ACCA, you need to have other interests as well, because ACCA and accountancy is not your life. It is not what defines you. You have to decide beyond your studies. You have to show other things that can define you in a better way.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Abdullah. Congratulations on your achievement.
Thank you. Thank you.